Welcome. Come and join us. Let's do some slow stitching. Hashtag slow stitch collage prompts. Let's use Christina's Shack. Let's use her fabric prompts. It's an open hashtag. So I'm going to put the right sides of the fabric out, some wadding, well, it's an old fleecy sock actually, and some more fabric there. And I'm going to cut out, let's make sure I've got that. Yeah, that's it. I'm going to cut out a wonky heart and making a heart of love. In my last video, I made the flower brooches, and the reason I made the flower brooches was to go on these wonky hearts. It was Christine's first prompt, flower. So yes, you could use floral fabric, but that's what in Maria's brooch and Christina's first prompt made me want to make a flower brooch. So this is going to, it can come off the heart. Another prompt, I don't know what order they were in, was Hessian. I had this Hessian ribbon from Helen. I got this in London a while back, this thread, and it comes in this packet and you pull it out. It doesn't get tangled, it's really handy. I'm using this shiny green. I'll sew the backing on later. I'm just going to sew the Hessian on with the wadding. Another prompt was a flower or floral button. I've got a button in the centre there, and Hessian. And the last prompt was cross stitch. Now if we use this hashtag, we'll be able to see one another's videos. Thank you, Christina. I'm going to link Christina's channel, and you can go and have a look. Follow the hashtag too. Would you like to use Christina's prompts? Nip over and see her, because she's got another video out as well now, the second lot of prompts, so I will link that below as well. That's it. So the last prompt 4, was cross stitches. So it's slow stitch, so anything goes, big or small. I think it looks nice when they're different sizes. Put it in and then you just bring this up here and then cross over. To go all the way around there. I love this fabric. It's from Julia. Thank you, Julia. It looks to me like vintage Laura Ashley. delicious. To use all these little leftover bits of fabric, I'm just cutting out some more little hearts here. Got the idea from Flo. She made little heart flowers. So I'm going to put a little heart flower on here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, actually, look, I've got these 2 here, so I could put, make it bigger. I could put that there. Yeah, make it 4, I think. Or shall I make it 5? Yeah, let's make it 5. There we are. And I'm going to sew that on and put a little button on there. And the brooch is going to be pinned to here, and it can be taken off. It will still be a pretty heart. You can leave the brooch on or take it off and wear it if you want to. Of course, I'm making this with someone in mind because it's a heart of love. I picked out a ribbon just as a little tag, so I've got right sides facing out. I'm just going to sew this together. Oh, just having a relaxing, gentle time stitching. Oh, look, little Freddie, there he is. Let's not be too busy, just to take a moment and pause. Bye everyone. Take care. You look very cosy, Freddie. Cuddled up on Mummy's cardigan. That's my favourite cardigan too.